In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MCP in N8n both quickly and easily. So, let's dive right in and get started. To begin with, you'll want to head over to the AI Workflow Automation Platform and Tools on the N8n website. It's a simple and intuitive platform designed to streamline your workflow automation needs, making processes that much easier to manage and implement. Once you're on the N8n homepage, the next step is to locate and click on the Sign In button. You'll typically find this in the upper right-hand corner of the page. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. This only takes a few moments and will give you access to your personalized dashboard. If you're returning, just enter your credentials and you'll be routed directly to your dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. After you've signed in, you'll arrive at your N8n dashboard. The dashboard serves as your control center, where you have access to all your workflows and automation tasks. From here, click on Create Workflow. This feature allows you to start a new project, giving you a blank slate to work with. Creating workflows is the backbone of using N8n effectively, as it enables you to set up the automation processes that will save you time and reduce errors. Now, with your new workflow open, you'll want to click on Add Nodes. In the N8n context, nodes are the individual tasks or actions that make up a workflow. Adding nodes is essential because each node carries out a specific function that contributes to the overall process you're automating. Next, you need to search for MCP. In the search bar within the node options, type MCP. Searching here will filter down the list of nodes to only those related to MCP, which stands for Message Control Protocol. MCP is useful for handling data transmission and ensuring that messages within your workflows are correctly managed and executed. After locating the MCP options, click on the MCP Server Trigger. This action will add the MCP Server Trigger node to your workflow. The server trigger is a crucial component for initiating workflows based on specific data inputs or events. It effectively monitors for conditions that you set, and when those conditions are met, the trigger launches the sequence of actions you've programmed into your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully set up MCP in N8n, giving you a robust framework for managing your workflow automation. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great content. Happy automating!